Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing about Tarentula hispanica. So Tarentula hispanica, mostly people might be knowing about it. It's a spider, arachnid class of spider. So Tarentula hispanicas क्या होते हैं ना? They are found southwest coast में और ऐसे जगहों पर जहाँ पर it is a commonly found spider. So what is from where the Tarentula का specific from where we have found that there is we can make remedy from Tarentula. So there is a past to it. So there एक spider ने एक person को काटा during some world war or something. So what happened? He started to have some psychological illness and he started to dance. Very randomly he started to dance, hysterically dance करना, अजीब सी activities करना. So उस phenomena को ना सबने बोल दिया tarentism. So it started after the bite of Tarentula hispanica spider. So from there, if we can relate, अगर आप books में भी देखेंगे, and if you see a child also of Tarentula, so they will be very unusual, doing very unusual activities, very restless, and if you go to more things, so there will be unusual sexual activities also, they will be in the need also. Similarly are the patients. They have higher desire for sexual activities. They have higher restlessness. They will be very much so much restless that their legs will always be in the constant motion. So Tarentula इसका सबसे main है restlessness and impatience कि उनके पैर हमेशा constant motion में रहते हैं, that much restlessness, and they love to dance, they love to hear the music that makes them so much high कि ऐसा लगता है कि they have done some they have some alcohol or something intake, but they have so much energy कि उनका energy you cannot match. So much energetic, so much impatience, and one more thing, they love to hear the music. So if you want to compare between Tarentula hispanica and Tarentula cubensis, so there is a very fine and major differences. Hispanicas love very sharp and loud music. They love to hear the music which is very loud, sharp, and like that. But in contrast to this, Tarentula cubensis जो रहते हैं, they are more of people जिनको थोड़ा soft music, they are very subtle and they are more compassionate as compared to Tarentula hispanica. And the core of Tarentulas, जो spiders रहते हैं ना, they want their own control. So generally they are timid animals, but when the prey comes in their prey, they becomes very controlling towards them. So उनके जो limbs रहते हैं, the locomotory thing, that is all control based. So जब भी आप अगर ऐसे rubrics भी देखेंगे अपने repertory में, so you will find self control, loss of and want of में spiders सारे हैं. They are the balancing remedies. Tarentulas and spiders are core for the balance. They want every time balance between the relationships, between everywhere they want the balance, at their workplace, everything. So they want control and balance in everywhere. So controlling power and balancing power से भी आप ऐसे spiders को सोच सकते हैं when there you find impatience and other characteristics of spiders. That's the core of all the Tarentulas. To know more, you can join our module sessions, and also now the e-university is there, so you can find the link in the comment box, and also you can buy our books. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Like, share and subscribe.